And lastly, and so we've by no means dealt with everything here, but the devotion to the party that is the key element, the key subjective element in the struggle. I say the key is the working class, but within that context, the Communist Party is indispensable to the working class. The working class will never achieve its vanguard status in the people's movement without a vanguard party leading it. So one's attitude to the party, one's elan, one's spirit of partiness, one's devotion and confidence in the party, which is essential if the party is going to be built, because we have to overcome enormous obstacles in building the party. The huge misinformation and aside from the natural difficulties that have been expressed in the party in Eastern European countries, etc., 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 which lay as a heavy burden on us. But those things must be overcome, and people must have such a confidence and inspiration in the party that they reach out and bring others into it and struggle continually to build the party and its press. And this is what we mean when we speak about revolutionary spirit.
I got the stereo and all that video.
Revolution usefully speaks of the tendency in the party to be sort of once a month communists or twice a month communists. That is to say, we're communists when the club meets, and after that we sink ourselves in this or that mass movement and consider that the work we're doing in the mass movement is communist work. But it isn't communist work unless it takes the Communist Party and its ideology and its advanced positions into that movement. And from that point of view, the harmony between what we do in the mass movements and what we do in the party is an indispensable part of how we deal with the question of the party, the law of criticism and self-criticism, whether we use that law to build the party or whether the law uses us, that is to say, whether it lashes us from time to time with a periodic crisis of stagnation and dissolution.